All right, Christian moms, get in here. The Bible says that I wish above all things that you prosper, even as your soul prospers. That means it is the will of God that we prosper in everything we do. And as moms, especially stay-at-home moms, we always want the ability to create financial freedom for ourselves. We always want to contribute financially to the family. So today I'm going to give you some easy side hustles for Christian moms that are not only easy on your pocket, but also easy on everything, and still gives you the ability to give your time to your family. The first one will be Christian affirmation channels. Now, if you go to YouTube, you would see that there are lots and lots of Christian affirmation channels, Bible passage channels, and they are faceless channels. Now, if you go into one of this, for example, this one that is called Prayer Escapes, you can see that they have just 208 videos and they have 66,000 subscribers. And you can see each of their videos get a lot of views. And what this will do for you is that it will bring income to you. Now, one way to create a faceless channel like this is to use invideo.ai. Now, InVideo allows you the opportunity to just input words and it creates a video for you. Now, if you want a tutorial about invideo.ai, go to the comment section and type invideo.ai. I'm going to also show you another one that is so amazing. It's called SoakStream. Now, I personally use SoakStream a lot. Now, if you go to SoakStream, you will see that SoakStream have been here for a while and they hardly even have any competition. I can tell you for free, right? But when you go to SoakStream, you can see that they have scriptures. And as a Christian mom, you can create your own faceless channel for moms. You can create it for children. It doesn't have to be the same exact thing, okay? You can have scriptures words for children. You can have scripture words for moms to sleep on. You can have affirmation words and all of that. And if you create it, I don't know about you, but I put this on every night when I'm going to bed. And it depends on my mood. Sometimes I'm scared. Sometimes I feel like tired and all of that. And each of these things, as they continue to play and ruminate in my spirit, it wakes me up stronger than when I slept. So this faceless channels, and I'm personally also in the process of creating a faceless channel for affirmations and scriptures for moms to kind of like quiet our spirits, because it is something that we need all the time. So Christian affirmation channels is one thing that you should definitely consider. The next one will be Christian wall art. Now, a lot of you may not be artistic, but let us go to Etsy for a minute. Okay, now if you go into Etsy and we type Christian wall art, okay, you would see that a lot of vendors, okay, sell Christian wall art. And you can see I have personally purchased Christian wall art from off of Etsy before. And I also have one single Christian wall art listed on my Etsy store. Okay, so you can see wall arts like this one, and you see that it is sold for $21 and they have over 1,000 reviews. That means that maybe they have made up to 5 or 10,000 sales, because less than 2% of the people that purchase from you eventually go leave a review. So if you're good at art, you can just take Bible passages, the things that already exist, and create it for people to use to beautify and decorate their rooms. Christian wall arts are super duper amazing. Like, people definitely purchase it a lot. Now, if you go back, you will see that there are several more. This one is a bundle, and this bundle has like how many? It has like 500 prints. Now, if you're that mom that wants to sell these things and you don't know how to create, I want you to go to the description box and go register for the Millionaire Housewife. Now, what the Millionaire Housewife does is that we will train you how to create, and I'll also equip you with 5 items that you can list in your store right from the start. So I equip you, I train you how to use Canva to create these designs, and I give you 5 already made designs and set up your Etsy store for you so that you can hit the ground running and get started right from the get-go. Now you can see this one is sold for $20, and this bundle is amazing. People will definitely want to buy it. You know why? Because it has 500. So you have the opportunity of 500 different wall arts. And let us see how many reviews they have. They have over 1,000 reviews as well. And so you can see every single day, I tell you, every single day, I get an alert from Etsy that someone has purchased my item. It blows my mind. But this is passive income that even if it's not making a lot of money yet, it's giving you money for gas every week. It's giving you, money for your nails every week. It's giving you money for your hair every week. It is just creating that income, passive income for you all the time. Okay. The next one will be to create Christian planners for moms. But I don't know about you, but as for me, I love it when I'm able to jot my mind down, especially in journals, right? I told you guys I have journals created and that I sell on Amazon, created by Amazon KDP. And I also have journals right here on Etsy, right? So if you go to Etsy, right, and you type Christian journals, Christian journals, and you click enter, you would see, no, let's do printable, Christian journals, printables, okay? Because we're not doing the physical copy, we're doing the digital copy. So you can see that there are lots of journals that are printables, okay? Now, if you look at this 100 pages prayer journal, Bible study, gratitude journal, and it's 99 cents. Now, I will not advise you to price any of your items at 99 cents. You know why? Because you're not making any money. For every 99 cents, you're paying the listing price, and it just trickles really, really lightly, and you won't be making a lot of money. But this person has 404 reviews, which means they have made a lot, right? They have earned a lot from this. But yeah, we will not be listing our things at 99 cents, okay? But let us take a look at something else, okay? Let us look at this prayer journal as well. Prayer journal, printable, Bible study guide, gratitude journal, digital Bible study journal, and all of that good stuff. And it has 34 pages. And you see that this person has over 7,000 reviews. That is a lot of money that is being made from one single item that was created. One single item that was created. And like I said before, if you don't know how to create yours, go register for the Millionaire Housewife. It's heavily discounted now. And the best part is that I offer payment plans for you guys. So that is another thing that is so easy to sell. That is another thing that is so easy to sell on Etsy as a Christian mom. Now, the final one will be Christian marriage counseling or Christian coaching for single moms or married moms, or, generally, as a Christian mom, once you have experience, if you've been married for 1 year, you can coach the single ladies, the Christian single ladies, okay? If you've been married for 5 years, you can coach the people behind you. Now, everybody has an experience and everybody has a style that they're bringing to the table. If you have that experience as a stay-at-home mom and you've been able to pull yourself together, you've been able to pull yourself through the challenges, because being a stay-at-home mom is excruciatingly challenging. I can tell you that because I've been there for over 10 years, and coming right here on top of it and creating this income for myself and creating the family, the life, the environment that my kids love has been a lot. And I have been coaching a lot of other moms in this same light too. So let me tell you, if you're a Christian mom, first of all, go to the link. There's a link there to join our free Christian private group for moms, okay? There you will get support. There you will get encouragement. There you will get Bible challenges. There you will get words for you to keep you moving along the way. Overall, I think that it is something that you can do to coach people. Now, before you coach anyone, I want you to make sure that you're confident of the fact that you can coach people. I want you to make sure that you're confident of the fact that there is something within you that the world needs, that other moms need, that the next generation need. There is something within you to share. There is that challenge that you've gone through that nobody else has ever gone through, and you're the only one that has that experience. There is that one, okay? And that qualifies you to coach people. That qualifies you to help the next generation. That qualifies you to help the woman that is going through something that you've already gone through before. If you would like to coach other moms, all you have to do is to create a landing page for yourself. yourself. After you've created a landing page, just go ahead and list it there. Come online to YouTube and offer free guidance, free advice, free everything, free knowledge that you know, okay? And people that want to tap into the deeper part of your wealth of knowledge will pay you to do that. Now, to create your landing page, go to the description box and go sign up for beacons.ai. Beacons.ai is just $10 a month. And if you use my link, you get $20 credit. And that helps you pay for 2 months already, okay? So I want you to go there and do it, because listen, nothing should stop you from making money, whether you're a stay-at-home mom or you're a working mom. Nothing should stop you from making money and creating that life that you want for yourself. All right. Now, I hope you found this helpful, because if you have, I want you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Okay. Give it a thumbs up. And guess what? I'll see you in the next video. Have an amazing day. My name is thetobyrich. Ciao, ciao.